So how efficient is the binary search? Well, basically, it might feel like there are a lot of steps to the binary search, but we're able to search a data set of 13 items there with only 3 searches. So that's all it took us. And that's a lot better than the linear search, which would have taken 8 searches on this data set. If we just jump back in there, so that took 1, 2, and then 3, you could say. So 3 searches. In the linear search, you would have had to go sequentially, one by one. So you would have got the first item, compare against it, the second item, compare against the third item, compare against it. So you would have 1 search, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 searches there checking that. So as we can see, it's a lot quicker than the linear search, which would have taken 8 searches on this data set. Now, obviously, this particular example. But in fact, the binary search is so efficient that it can search 1 million items in only 20 searches. So think about it. Keep splitting a million down to 500,000, 250,000, 125,000, so on and so forth. And it only takes approximately 20 searches. And it could also search 8 billion items, which is everyone on this planet, in only 33 searches. So definitely the binary search is efficient.